Every great product you use today, your smartphone, car, or even your coffee machine, started as a digital design. The secret behind faster innovation? CAD, or computer-aided design. CAD allows engineers and designers to create virtual prototypes before a single part is manufactured. Instead of trial and error with physical models, teams can test shape, size, and functionality directly on screen. This saves time, money, and resources and makes product development more efficient. With CAD, design changes are instant. Need to adjust the thickness of a part, change materials, or redesign for sustainability? It only takes a few clicks. This flexibility encourages rapid innovation, allowing companies to move from idea to prototype faster than ever before. Modern CAD doesn't just draw, it simulates. Engineers can test products under real-world conditions like heat, stress, and motion. For example, an aerospace company can simulate airflow over a wing, while a car manufacturer can test crash safety digitally. This means safer, more reliable products with fewer physical prototypes. CAD also enables global collaboration. Designers in different countries can work on the same prototype in real time, making product development a truly international effort. From medical devices to renewable energy solutions, CAD is fueling innovation that improves lives worldwide. In short, CAD has redefined product prototyping, making it faster, cheaper, and more creative. It's not just about designing objects, it's about designing the future. Whether it's smarter gadgets, eco-friendly cars, or life-saving medical tools, CAD is at the heart of innovation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my assignment solution for more insights into technology and design.